Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining the user problem and the measurable success metric, so you know what to build and why. Once defined, pick an AI model approach, hosted API for speed or open source for control, and evaluate cost, latency, and data needs. Then initialize your codebase, add SI, and scaffold a minimal front-end prototype. This gets you from idea to runnable demo quickly and makes subsequent integration concrete and testable. Once the prototype exists, define the API contract so front-end and back-end agree on inputs, auth, and errors. Then implement back-end patterns, queuing, batching, retries, and structured logging to handle AI latency spikes. Make prompt templates and preprocessing deterministic because consistent inputs produce reliable outputs. Similarly, add post-processing rules to normalize model responses. Make sure to add observe. Deploy a canary release and monitor latency, cost per call, and qualitative user feedback so you know if the AI is delivering value. When issues appear, iterate on prompts, consider a different model, or adjust batching to lower cost and latency. Make sure to secure user data, add rate limits, and implement graceful fallbacks so the app remains functional during model outages. If predictions drift, retrain or update prompts. That troubleshooting tip often fixes subtle failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.